Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video we're going to cover dictionaries in Python. First off though, if you like videos like this where I show you how to set up and install software or programming tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's create a dictionary. So to create a dictionary, I'm going to save it in a variable. I'll call it my_dict, and I'm going to use these curly braces. And then within the dictionary, what you have is key value pairs. So for instance, I might have something like name, and then I have my name, so Timothy Unkert. Then I might have something like age, have an age there, GPA, have a GPA, and that could be a dictionary, right? So we have some different keys. The keys are name, age, and GPA, and the values are Timothy Unkert 46 and 4.0. Okay, so we can do a lot of different things with our dictionary once we've created it. So we could just first start off, let's just print the dictionary. So we'll print my dict. Okay, and if I run this, I just get, the dictionary printed out. Name, Timothy Unkert, age 46, GPA 4.0. Okay, we could also just print the keys of the dictionary. Comment here, and to do that we do print my_dict dot keys. Okay, and now if I run this, we get the dict keys, which are name, age, and GPA. Likewise, we can just print the values of the dictionary, and to do that we do my_dict dot values, and now if I run this, I've got my dictionary values, Timothy Unkert 46 4.0. Okay. We can also loop through the keys. So let's loop through the keys and print them out. So to do that, I'd say something like for, and the convention would be to use something like k for my variable name, for k in my dict dot keys print k. Okay, and if I run this, well, what I'll get is just at the bottom here is name, age, and GPA. We can also loop through the values and print them out. So to do that, we do something like for. Convention would be to use v in my_dict dot values, and we'd print the values. Okay, and if I run that, I'd get Timothy Unkert 46 and 4.0. We could even loop through the keys and values. So we could loop through the items in the dictionary and print them out. So to do that, I would say something like for, and then I could do k comma v in my_dict dot items. And then let's do an f string. So I'll print an f string, and I'll pass in k there, so the key, and then a colon, and then pass in the value in curly braces like so. And if I run that, then I get here, I get name colon Timothy Unkert, age colon 46, GPA colon 4.0. We can also clear a dictionary. So to do that, we'd type the dictionary and do dot clear. And now if I print this my dict out and run it, I get just these empty curly braces. The dictionary has been cleared. Okay. Let me comment this stuff out here. We can also copy the dictionary. So let's copy the dictionary. And to do that, let's create a new dictionary. So I'll say my new dict equals my dict dot copy. And now I could print out my new dict. And I also want to check to make sure it's, well, to see if it's the same object in memory. So to do that, I could do my new dict is my dict, and that's going to give me a Boolean, either true or false. And if we run this, well, we get my new dict is the same. It's a copy, but it's not the same object in memory. My new dict is false. Okay. And that's the same with what we encountered in the lists. Okay, we could remove the last item. So we could take my dict and do pop item. And now if we print my dict here, and we run that, we've got the GPA popped off. Okay. We can also update the dictionary. So we could add items to the dictionary. So let's add items to the dictionary. And to do that, we do my dict.update. And then we could add in a dictionary here. So let's say we wanted to add something like height, 70, and I don't know, weight, 200. Okay, and now if we print out my dict here, we get name Timothy Unkert, age 46, GPA was popped off, height 70, and weight 200. Okay. We could also remove a specific item from the list. So remove, or from the dictionary, a specific item from the dictionary by passing in its key. So to do that, I could do mydict.pop, and then we could, let's get rid of the height. Okay, and now if we print out my dict here, we get the height gone. Okay, so we remove the specific item by passing in the key. We can also create a new dictionary from an iterable. So for instance, if I had something like my list, and let's say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's create another dictionary. So we'll say my other dict equals, and we'll have an empty dictionary to start. And then what we'll do is we'll say my other dict equals my other dict dot from keys, and pass in my list. And if we just run it like that, well, we would need to print it out. So let's do that first. So print my other dict, run it, and we get 1 none, 2 none, 3 none, 4 none, and 5 none. Now we could also go up here and pass in a default value, say, let's just say hello. And now if we run this, we get 1 hello, 2 hello, 3 hello, 4 hello, and 5 hello. So that's a little intro into dictionaries. You should play with these a little bit to get used to them. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. Thank you.